Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. This is going to be more of a complete video than I've ever done on this macro, which is alternate C. I used it just yesterday, and somebody who watches a lot of my videos, he understands what it is, but there's a lot of new people that might not know what it is. It's a macro to put stuff in the center of the page, or not put stuff in the page, rotate from the center of the page. If you wanted to rotate this around this page, you could click on it and find the center, and sometimes you're there, sometimes you're not, and it's rather frustrating. Well, if you click on your item and go alternate C, it put the rotation in the center, and we could rotate down. Well, we could control D, and then alternate C, that duplicate, and we could rotate it 45 degrees, control D, control. It is a cool macro. Now, I came up with this macro, but it would only work on my page size. Roy Brewer, my mentor from Engraving Concepts, coded it out where it'll work on any page size, which is a big deal. I mean, for me, it was great because it worked on mine. So I'm going to put my email address at the bottom of this video if you want it, ask for it. But I thought I'd go the next step and show how to put it in, where it needs to go, and how to get it. So I just emailed it to myself, and I emailed the macro, and I'm going to double click on it, and I'm going to right click and show in folder. Now it's in a folder right there that is, don't even know where it is right now. It's in on my C drive. I would put in a blank thumb drive, or put it somewhere where you don't have that many. So I'm going to move it to my desktop. It's already there. So it's already there, but that's what you do. Put it on your desktop. Then go back to, this is the reason I decided to make the video. There it is right there. So what you need to do is basically open up, well, you don't have to open up a second window. If you will go to your C drive, do not click on these words. Click on the arrows so you can not get rid of this screen. I don't have to reduce that. Go to program size, browse. Don't hit here, hit here. Go to Corel, hit the arrow. Go to Corel Draw 2022 if that's what you have. Go to Draw. Go to GMS. Go to GMS folder. Well, that's the different one. See, there's some files. Take this and move it into your GMS folder. You need permission, skip it, it works, it's done. So it's there now. Then go to Corel. Now I already have it, but go to Windows, Tools, Scripts. Yours might say macros, depending on what version you have. There's mine right there. But if I don't have it, go to Load and go to, if you remember we put it on desktop, go to center of the page and hit Open. Now it's in there. I already had it, so I don't know if it duplicated or not. There it is right there. I've got it twice now. So rotate center of the page. Now, I made a hotkey for it. You must first select an object so they both work. So we're going to take this and we're going to select this object. And see, that's Mr. Brewer. He put that in there somehow. So if you right click on this and assign it a keyboard stroke, you can call it whatever you want. I made it alternate C because it's center, and the alternate key is, on my keyboard at least, is right near the C. So all you have to do, but after you type this in, you type it in here and then assign it, it'll put it here and then say okay. So it is one of the coolest macros besides the letter P that Corel has. This macro is, so control D and make a duplicate, alternate C, and let's rotate it just 10 degrees. and see it's rotating around the center of the page. That's very, very helpful. I mean, to try to find the center of the rotation of anything and move it down here. I got it, maybe the first try. Let's double click and it's there. But look how much easier it is. Let me just delete that one. And I always like starting at the center of the page and then moving it up. Whoop. I don't need indexing lines with this alternate P. So Control D, alternate C, and rotate it. Let's go 22.5 degrees. Control D all the way around. I mean, it is slick. So that's how to install it. If you still need help, ask. Just email me and put in the subject alternate C or center of the page, and I will send you that macro. But as long as you put it in the GMS file, it will always be here. You know, sometimes you could put it in here, but if it's not in your GMS folder, when you reboot your computer or start Corel, sometimes that'll disappear. So it actually needs to be in there. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.